Now let's explain this concept. 1 minute. Yeah, it's listening here. Okay. Okay, let's come back to the story. We are talking about labor, and we said labor means when I start the task. When I start the task, I have not said complete, just start. Start means 1% or 10%. Let's give an easy example, 10%. How do I tell this task has started? I can go here and click 25, just give you a number. So when I tell this task has started, because Microsoft project does not know I have started, this is planned. Did I start it? He doesn't know. So when I click 25, I am clicking this task and going 25. It is labor. Where is this labor? Where is the chart? Let me just rub this. Oh, sorry. Let me rub this so I'm not confusing. Listen, we're talking about labor, right? Task 1. And labor is a start task. That means what? When I start the task, I have to build. He's been billed. Money. He's going to take money from this. Listen. When I click 25%, that means the task has started. Can you see 400 has been deducted?
Yes.
Actual cost 400, halas, because started. Okay, now let me just take another same concept, which is next to start, brick. Brick. So if brick is assigned to whom? Brick is assigned here. So if I click here and tell him, let's say, even if I say 50%, already started, right? Or another, yeah, you get the picture, right? 50%. Deducted. Okay, now let's say the concept, you've seen what's the meaning of start now. Started, pay the full money. Albek. Enter the building without paying, don't go. Okay, listen. Next one is concept of not truck, end. End means what? Even if this is which is the task, truck. Which is truck? This is truck. Task 2 is truck. Okay, beautiful. If I complete 85%, cost is 425. Did I bill? No, I cannot bill. Has he finished? No. If I'll just show you again here. See, you will see a tick. If you see the tick means what? Task has been completed. That means 100%. When I say 100%, actual cost, that's what I was explaining before, right? Actual cost. Where is this? Actual cost. Isn't it? Difference between cost and actual cost. I think you get the concept clear now. Okay, I click here and say 100% completed. Completed, actual cost charged, tick. Now comes the question of who? The prorated. Isn't it? I hope this is clear now. Start and end is clear. Okay, this is self-explanatory, easy. What is the meaning of prorated? Prorated means what I said, pay as you go, like a meter. Prorated. That means what? You've been charged 50 an hour. Beautiful. I have no comments here. Good. Let's take an example. This is a beautiful day. A beautiful example. Task 2, 2-day duration. 2 days, my cost is $800. If I say pay as you go, if I say, I'm taking example, let's say 20, let's say 50 and then come back to 25, I should be seeing prorated means what? As I pay, you go, yeah. So if I say 50, I should be seeing 400. Did you see 400? If I said, no, I don't want 400, I need 25% complete, 200. Is it clear? If I say 100%, 100% you tick, completed everything, 800. Now you would see both are same, everything, all the task. Did I see anything? Yeah, isn't it? Yes. Even if I mark all complete, my cost is clear. Is this clear now?
Very clear.
Okay, so what is the meaning of the? I also told you, mark. If you listen my last class, last class means the last class on Saturday or Sunday, whenever last we had, I gave the word. You will understand the concept as task complete. When you explain the concept of task complete, you will understand. This is what I was meaning by task complete. Is this clear?
Yes, very clear.
Okay. Okay, listen. So this is the meaning of, I think this is the whole, let's say, MS project in nutshell. How to assign the resources, and isn't it, resource name and everything, whatever. Listen, if you had the I think any confusion on the resources, you listen to this video again, or this class again, and this concept will be very clear. If you want, I will re-explain it in a couple of minutes, because I want to explain printing also. Printing is easy, but isn't it?